For decades, the recipe for an ultra-luxury SUV was written in Germany and England, relying on massive engines and century-old heritage to justify eye-watering price tags. But the entire automotive world is about to experience a seismic shift because the old rules simply no longer apply. When you look at the flagship luxury segment, heavyweights like the Mercedes EQS SUV and the Range Rover have comfortably dictated what a premium family hauler should look and feel like, assuming their dominance was practically untouchable. Enter the Nio ES9, a towering, technology-packed masterpiece that doesn't just want a seat at the elite table. It wants to buy the entire restaurant. As China's largest and most ambitious electric SUV to date, it is an unapologetic disruptor designed to make legacy luxury feel completely ancient. The real tension begins when you line the ES9 up against its true modern rivals. As we continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel with the bell notification turned on for more videos. Forget the Europeans for a second. The absolute fiercest battleground right now is against technological marvels like the Huawei 80 M9 and the ultra-exclusive Mixtro S800. These are the heavy hitters redefining what a smart vehicle can do, and Nio has specifically engineered the ES9 to go head-to-head with them, packing enough computing power and pure opulence to challenge both the tech giants and the old-world monarchs. Nio has spent the last few years quietly building an empire based on exceptional customer service and their revolutionary battery-swapping network, but the ES9 represents their ultimate push into the uncompromising executive luxury tier. Visually, the ES9 is an absolute titan, stretching over 5.3 meters in length with an imposing, road-owning presence. The front fascia commands attention with Nio's signature shark nose profile and a stunning smart lighting system capable of projecting crisp video shows right onto the road ahead. Moving along the side, the sheer scale of the vehicle is balanced by clean, flush door handles and massive 23-inch alloy wheels, all flowing seamlessly into a sophisticated rear end anchored by a continuous, full-width taillight bar that looks incredibly striking at night. Step inside, and the cabin is nothing short of a 6-seat private jet on wheels, bathed in real wood and buttery Napa leather. This isn't just about spaciousness. It is about obsessive comfort, featuring second-row zero-gravity lounge seats that offer full-body deep massage and massive reclining angles. Between those seats sits the executive console with a built-in smart refrigerator, while electrochromic privacy glass instantly shades the windows, completely isolating the passengers in a serene, whisper-quiet sanctuary. The technology actually embedded in this cabin feels like science fiction brought to life, anchored by a vibrant 15.6-inch AMOLED central display and dual 14.5-inch executive screens in the back. But the real magic lies in its autonomous hardware, boasting 3 wide-angle LiDAR sensors elegantly integrated into the roof and fenders, feeding data into dual smart driving chips to masterfully navigate complex environments. Underneath this rolling palace is an absolute powerhouse, driven by a 900-volt high-voltage architecture and a massive 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system churns out a staggering 697 horsepower, allowing this colossal machine to surge forward with sports car-like urgency while delivering over 600 kilometers of range on a single charge. Even more mind-blowing is how it drives. Thanks to the fully active suspension and rear-wheel steer-by-wire system, this behemoth can turn tight city corners like a compact hatchback and glide over rough pavement as if it were hovering on a magic carpet. You would expect this level of performance, luxury, and technology to demand a price tag well over $150,000, especially when compared to German flagships. Yet, the Nio ES9 flips the script entirely by launching with a starting price around $77,000 in its home market, offering an unbelievable value proposition that drastically undercuts traditional luxury SUVs while offering significantly more equipment. If there is a realistic drawback to mention, It is the inescapable physics of a vehicle this immense. Weighing in at nearly 3 tons, the sheer mass does slightly eat into its overall electrical efficiency compared to smaller, more aerodynamic models. Ultimately, the market impact of the ES9 is impossible to ignore because it proves that the center of gravity for true automotive luxury is officially shifting eastward. It is a bold, uncompromising statement that luxury is no longer just about heritage, but about seamlessly blending absolute comfort with cutting-edge intelligence. Do you think legacy brands can catch up to this level of innovation, or has the torch officially been passed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest automotive breakthroughs, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more.